In a world where invisible foes lurk, a sneeze signals the start of a battle. Why me? One asks as pollen dances in the air. It's not you, whispers the breeze. It's how you react. The body of vigilant guardian mistakes friend for foe. Stand down, it commands, but the sneeze army marches on. Why fight? Wonders the heart. To protect, replies the mind. In this unseen war, understanding becomes the truce. Embrace the sneeze, says the soul, for it's a sign of life. And so, the dance continues, a testament to resilience and adaptation.